Everyone's aware of the Butterbeer that is famous at Harry Potter World, but most don't know that there's actually a full menu of non-alcoholic drinks. So today, we're gonna go through all of those and see what else is offered in this magical place. We'll go ahead and start this journey with the infamous Butterbeer. Butterbeer is a staple in the Harry Potter series and here in the Wizarding World. You can enjoy Butterbeer in 3 varieties: frozen, cold, and hot. The frozen and cold options are the most popular, as Florida is known for its warmer climate. Although I have to say, the hot version is probably my favorite. Each one comes with a delicious creamy foam atop of it, and it really gives this drink its signature flavor. Butterbeer can also be enjoyed in a souvenir mug to make your experience even more authentic. Butterbeer can be found at various carts throughout Hogsmeade and also at the Hogshead Bar, along with pumpkin juice and a variety of alcoholic options. Speaking of pumpkin juice, that brings us to our next most popular non-alcoholic option. Spoiler alert, this is my absolute favorite drink in all of the Wizarding World. It's refreshing on a hot summer day and full of enough spices to enjoy in the seasonal weather as well. There is also a variety of pumpkin juice called Pumpkin Fizz that has a touch of carbonation to give this drink a twist, but I enjoy the regular form more. You can also purchase a pumpkin sipper from various stores such as Honeydukes and Sugar Plums that is refillable wherever pumpkin juice is sold. A bonus of this cup, as it makes it easier to walk around the park with you, and you also get $1 off of every refill. Jumping over to Diagon Alley, here you will find the largest selection of non-alcoholic drinks, mainly at the Hopping Pot, but there are also some special offerings at the Fountain of Fair Fortune. We'll start with a tongue-tying lemon squash. This is a refreshing drink that consists of sweet and tart lemon flavor and is topped with a lemon slice. This one is essentially your standard iced lemonade, which is hard to go wrong with. This is definitely one that I would order again. Moving on to our next couple of drinks on the menu at the Hopping Pot, we have Otter's Fizzy Orange Juice. I am a big fan of orange juice, but this one had a little twist to it, containing flavors like vanilla and cinnamon. As you can see here, the rim is coated in a cinnamon mixture that gives this drink flavor and a great presentation. This is probably not one that I would get often due to the amount of sweetness, but I was definitely a fan. Next, we have the Peachtree Fizzing Tea. This consisted of a very strong peach flavor, so make sure you have a palate for peach going in. As the name states, there is a fizzy component which sets it apart from a regular peach tea. This was a new one for me, and I was pleasantly surprised by the smooth flavors. Moving on to the Fountain of Fair Fortune, although this can also be found at the Hopping Pot, we have our last non-alcoholic drink called Fishy Green Ale. Of all the non-alcoholic options, I'll have to say that this was the most interesting. It has notes of mint and cinnamon flavors with a creamy consistency. There are also boba-type fish eggs at the bottom. I like to describe this one as evergreen or Christmas tree flavor. It was not my favorite, but definitely something to try if you want to be adventurous. That wraps up our tour through the main menu of non-alcoholic drinks at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Thanks for joining us, and be on the lookout for more fun adventures soon.